Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing InTown Suites Extended Stay Murfreesboro, Tennessee, MTSU. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 30 minutes drive from Nashville International Airport, InTown Suites Extended Stay Murfreesboro, Tennessee, MTSU offers free Wi-Fi and 24-hour laundry facilities. Each room also features a full kitchenette. Each room at the InTown Suites Extended Stay Murfreesboro, Tennessee, MTSU offers an HDTV with premium channels from Showtime. Select rooms also feature a seating area. Vending machines are available to all guests. Non-smoking rooms may be booked upon request. The hotel is less than 15 minutes walk from Old Fort Golf Club and Stones River Mall. Guests will be 3.5 miles from Middle Tennessee State University and 35 minutes drive from Nashville City Center. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.